Hello, today we will guide you through how to change currency on XM. If you want to use a different currency on XM, it's important to know that this is typically done while creating a new account, rather than changing the base currency of an account that already exists. In this walkthrough, we'll show you exactly where to go and what to select so the process is simple and clear. To begin, go to XM and make sure you are on the home page of your member area. Starting from the home page helps ensure you can find the account options easily, even if your layout looks slightly different from someone else's. XM may display different setups depending on account type or region, so don't worry if your screen is not identical. Once you're on the home page, look for the drop-down menu, sometimes referred to as the drop box, in the instructions. Click that menu to open the available options. This is where you'll usually find account-related actions. From the menu, click on Create New Account. This is the key step because selecting a new base currency is part of the new account setup process. If you were expecting to edit an existing account directly, this is why the option may not appear in your current account settings. Next, choose whether you want to create a demo account or a real account. Select the one that matches your goal. A demo account is useful for practice, while a real account is for live trading. After making your selection, click Continue. You'll then be asked to choose your preferred account type. Select the account type that best fits your needs, and then continue to the next screen. Take a moment here to review your choice, since account type and base currency are both important setup details. On the next page, look for the base currency field. Click the drop-down menu next to base currency to view the available options. This is the point where you can change the currency for the account you are creating. Now simply click on your preferred currency from the list. Once you select it, your base currency is set for that new account, and that's it. As a final tip, make sure you choose carefully before finishing setup, because base currency settings often cannot be changed later on the same account. If needed, creating a new account with the correct currency is usually the solution. That's the full process for changing currency on XM by setting a new base currency during account creation.